In this video, we will show you how to create presets size on Adobe Photoshop. If you're using Adobe Photoshop for a routine, maybe creating a preset size, if you using repetitive tasks, okay, you can creating the preset size to faster your works. How to do that? First, in here, I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS6. And to creating the preset size, we can click File and click New. And in here, you can see there is the presets that I have web thumbnails. And you can create another presets. For example, you can creating the custom size. I have this custom size, for example. Okay. And with this size, and then with this height, okay, we can just click save preset. Okay, after that, for example, I create this preset YouTube thumbnails and click OK after that. Then we can just click OK here. When you creating a new project related to that size in YouTube thumbnails, you can just click File and click New. And in here, you can just go to the YouTube thumbnails, then click OK. Okay, and for example, we can also using another presets we have. Okay, this is the different size. And how to delete this preset? To delete these presets, you can just click delete presets. Okay, and your presets will be deleted. And that's all tutorial how to create preset size on Adobe Photoshop to faster our works. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.